Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we've got something that's built to handle the tough jobs without breaking a sweat. Let's take a look at the Vacmaster VF408, a 4-gallon wet-dry vacuum cleaner, packed with features that promise both power and convenience. With a 5-peak horsepower motor and a 4-gallon polypropylene tank, this model is designed for all sorts of messes, from home to garage, making it an ideal pick for anyone who needs solid performance without the bulk. Right out of the box, the Vacmaster VF408 boasts a 2-stage motor, which is a big deal when you're looking for both power and quieter operation. Whether you're cleaning up spilled water, dust, or dry debris, this vacuum claims to make the task a lot smoother. The 22-foot cord length offers an impressive reach for a vacuum of this size, and it also features an automatic cord rewind, so no more fussing with tangled cords once the job's done. The 4-gallon capacity is ideal for household messes, large enough for everyday tasks, but not so big that it feels cumbersome or heavy. It's the kind of vacuum that can handle the occasional large cleanup without being too bulky to store. The design of the Vacmaster VF408 is user-friendly, and that's something to appreciate in a vacuum this powerful. The balanced top handle makes it easy to carry, and the durable casters and non-marring rear wheels ensure stability and smooth movement on a variety of surfaces. Moving it from room to room, or even up and down stairs, is a breeze. The hose and accessory storage built right into the body of the vacuum is another thoughtful touch. You've got a place for everything, so you won't be scrambling to find your attachments when the cleaning gets serious. In terms of performance, the 2-stage motor offers excellent suction power, and it doesn't just show up on paper. The motor's dual action gives you that extra bit of torque when you need it most, whether you're cleaning up fine dust from hard floors or tackling larger debris on carpets or rugs. The powerful suction is complemented by quieter operation, making it a lot more pleasant to use compared to other heavy-duty vacuums. The real-world test of this vacuum is where it really shines. You'll appreciate how well it handles fine dust and crumbs on hard floors. And when it comes to lifting embedded dirt from carpets or rugs, the 5-HP motor doesn't disappoint. Pet owners will be pleased to know it picks up pet hair with ease. But like any wet, dry vacuum, it's not immune to a bit of hair getting tangled in the hose now and then. Something to watch out for if you've got long, shedding pets. Moving on to stairs, upholstery, and car interiors, this vacuum takes it all in stride. With the right attachments, it's easy to get into tight spots. Plus, the hose is long enough to give you flexibility when working in tricky areas. When you're cleaning under furniture, the low-profile design lets you slip in and out with minimal effort, making it a solid choice for homes with furniture that's hard to move. The automatic cord rewind is a huge plus here. It saves you from dealing with that tangled mess when you're finished, so you can roll up quickly and store it without hassle. As with any vacuum, it's not all perfect. While it's got great power and is super versatile, there are a few things to keep in mind. First off, while it handles most messes with ease, the 4-gallon capacity means that if you're tackling bigger jobs or handling wet messes frequently, you'll find yourself emptying it more often than larger models. The noise level is also something to consider. While it's quieter than many vacuums in the same category, it's still a shop vacuum, so it's not exactly whisper quiet. However, given its performance, that's to be expected. In terms of value, this vacuum offers excellent performance for its price point. You get a powerful motor, long cord, convenient accessories, and user-friendly features without paying a premium price. For people with smaller spaces, or anyone who needs a vacuum that can handle both wet and dry messes, this is a solid choice. It's not the cheapest option out there, but when you factor in its durability and performance, it's a great value. Let's briefly compare it to some direct alternatives. The Vacmaster VF408 stacks up well against other mid-range wet-dry vacuums. If you're considering something like the rigid 4.5-gallon, you'll find similar suction power, though the Vacmaster tends to be quieter and a little easier to maneuver. On the flip side, models like the Craftsman 6-gallon wet-dry vacuum provide a bit more capacity, but they're bulkier and harder to store, especially in smaller spaces. If you're not looking to handle larger jobs regularly, the Vacmaster offers a more compact, versatile solution. When it comes to build quality, the Vacmaster VF408 is solid. The tank is made of polypropylene, which is lightweight but durable, and the design overall feels stable and well-built. The hose and accessory storage are practical touches, helping keep everything in place and within easy reach. Over time, as long as you maintain it, cleaning the filters, clearing blockages, and wiping down the parts after use, you can expect this vacuum to hold up well. The automatic cord rewind, though convenient, could wear out over time with repeated use, so it's important to take care when winding and unwinding the cord. The Vacmaster VF408 is a great choice for anyone who needs a reliable, powerful, and easy-to-use wet-dry vacuum for small to medium tasks. It's especially useful for homeowners or even small businesses that deal with a variety of messes, both wet and dry. While it may not be the best choice for those who need a larger tank or super quiet operation, its power, maneuverability, and versatility make it a standout at this price point. If you're in the market for a vacuum that's versatile enough to handle both wet and dry messes, and you don't need a massive tank, this could be the one for you. Don't forget to check out the link to get your own. It's right there in the comments box. And if you've got any questions or already use this vacuum, drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep your spaces spotless. Clean up that mess and leave the heavy lifting to the Vacmaster VF408.